All right, let's try number 25 and 11.5. So we have here a function. H of x is 1 over x minus 1 plus 2 over 1 minus x plus 2. And the thing I'm supposed to do is I'm supposed to notice this is a transformation of 1 over x to some power. Find the power, describe the transformation, and graph labeling asymptotes and whatnot. So, that thing there does not look like 1 over x to a power. Right? So what do you do? Combine it. Yeah, somehow massage it until it does, right? Like, I don't know. Okay, so what's your, look at this and you think to yourself, aha, a common bottom for this is, what's the common bottom? Like, what are your fractions got on the bottom? Careful with that. Yeah, this is a x minus 1, right? Okay, so you have a, you have an x minus 1 in your common bottom at least. This guy has what in its bottom? 1. I'm covered. And this guy? This guy is a...
It could be, you could make it a minus the quantity of x plus 1.
You guys see that? This guy is your x minus 1, but in the other order, right? So this has an extra minus sign in it. So the first thing I would do here is I would just rewrite as 1 over x minus 1 minus 2 over x minus 1 plus 2 over 1.
So x minus 1 isn't the same as 1 minus 1. Well, because you put the minus on.
Yeah, but x minus 1 isn't the same, right?
Oh.
I pulled the minus sign out of the bottom and put it on
I
the
didn't
front.
catch that.
Is all cool with that?
Yeah.
Okay. What does the 2 need? It needs an x. Yeah, it really needs all of x minus 1, right?
Yeah.
So top and bottom, you need to multiply your 2 by x minus 1.
Cool.
Okay, so now I have a 1 of those, take away 2 of those, plus some weird number of those. So all told, I'm talking about x minus 1s, right? And I have 1 minus 2 plus 2 times the quantity of x minus 1. You guys all with me on that?
Yep.
Oh. But I got carried away and probably shouldn't have done this.
No.
It's okay. Crap.
So
Do
why?
you guys see it? Why? See why I shouldn't have done this?
No.
Okay, cool. So, careful. Why wouldn't this cancel with that? Because it's tangled up with that business? Get rid of it. Let's go back. Which is actually not a bad idea. So, I think I got here since you guys didn't see it, I'm gonna not see it. I have minus 1 plus 2x minus 2 over x minus 1, right? Okay, which is...
Don't we want just 1 over x though?
Yeah, I kind of did. Hang on. I got 2x minus 3 over x minus 1, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Is that a shift of a 1 over x? Yeah, I have no idea either. It doesn't look like it. Okay, see that? So, oh, yeah, the whoopsie daisy was back here. See this guy? Those two are like a minus 1 over x minus 1, right?
Yep.
And then this thing is a plus 2, right?
Yeah.
So if I had noticed right there, the minus flips it over. This minus 1 moves it to the right. This plus 2 is going to move everything up. And what's the function I'm talking about? 1 over x. You guys see that?
Yep.
So I got a little ambitious, right? I started combining stuff because combining stuff is fun.
Yeah.
And I just went a little bit too far with it. I really wanted to see that. The horizontal shift, the vertical flip, and the vertical shift. So I think right here is what I really wanted. So right here I had minus 1 over x minus 1 plus 2. You could get back to that in the silliest possible way by doing polynomial long division to this thing. No, trust me, you could. You don't want to.
No, yeah, like, no, I don't want to.
Yeah, no, no one wants to, but you could. You guys remember polynomial long division?
No, it's not.
That would be, no, let's not. That would be this thing.
You have no idea what to do with that. What? Yeah.
What?
Describe it.
Do you guys know synthetic division?
No.
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean,
I don't know.
Okay.
That's like Matthew C stuff.
ask your friends.
Maybe I'll hang out. I don't know how to do
I don't have any friends. Mika's nodding.
Yeah, I know.
She knows synthetic division. Ask her to teach
I
you.
don't wanna know how to do it, but I know.
Yeah, like have remainders.
Yeah,
and
that's
stuff.
good. It's not that easy of a trick. It does come up later, so it's worth knowing. I'll teach it to you in another lecture. At any rate, I got my functions this, right? So in order to draw my function h, right, which is really what they asked me to do, you go like this. Start with 1 over x. Okay, there's 1 over x. Then you need to flip it over. Okay, so now I'm at minus 1 over x. Then I need to go right 1. Slick, right? Okay, then you need to also go up 2. One, 2, 1. Oh, and obviously I should connect my dots. Oh God, that was horrible.
That was pretty good.
Gonna fail my art class. Oops, that's supposed to be dotted. Cool.
Yeah.
This really shitty picture. Sorry.
So which one's the one that's like
It's a good picture.
the right one?
What's that?
Which one would be the right answer then? Is it not the one that we did? This was longer?
Yeah, no, so the right formula is this one. So there are several parts to this problem. This is the right formula. And when you look at this, you should think to yourself, another part of your answer is, this is a transform of 1 over x. That's another part of your answer. And then yet another part of your answer is what that transform is. And that transform is a flip over the, which axis?
Why?
Why?
Yeah, that's a, wait.
Yeah.
This is happening after you did 1 over stuff, right? You guys see that? So that's a vertical flip, so it's a flip over the x-axis.
That was right.
It does just so happen that 1 over x doesn't care. 1 over x is an odd function, so flipping over the vertical axis and flipping over the horizontal is the same. So it's a flip over the x-axis, and then it's a shift right 1 and up 2. Exactly. Cool? Questions? So the right answer is, oh, these 3 things and also this picture.
Can't see it. But
I'm looking at
The whole board. The whole board's the answer. That's all I got.